how to make $100 a day with affiliate marketing. Hey, do you want to make some money online and you want to make some money quick, but the problem is you don't have any experience, you don't have any products, you don't have any tech savvy, in fact you don't even have any money? You can still do it. You can still make $100 a day. In this video I'm going to show you how to use affiliate marketing to make at least $100 a day, and we're starting right now. Hey, I'm J.R. Fisher. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, take a look around. Got lots of videos here for you, and don't forget to subscribe. You can join the Fisher family, and welcome Fisher family, the VIP group that actually are subscribers of this channel, and they also do something else that's super important. They ring the bell right after they hit that subscribe button. The next thing they do is they hit the bell, and if you hit the bell and you put turn on all notifications, guess what? You'll be notified. You'll be part of the VIP group, the Fisher family. Costs you nothing to get all this information. As a matter of fact, you will know before anybody else does. Now also at the end of this video, I want to give you a $97 e-commerce course absolutely free. All you have to do is go down in the description, and there's a link down there, and you can click it and get it free. I've been selling online since 2009, and I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products. And on this channel I share with you all the tips, tricks, and techniques that I used so that you can start, run, and grow your business too. Now I want to get into how we make money with affiliate marketing. I'm really excited about this because I do affiliate marketing, and people do affiliate marketing with my products, and I sell their products affiliate marketing, and in some places it got a bad name, but I'm going to straighten it all out for you. You'll know what to do. You don't have to have experience. Don't worry, you got this. At the end of the video you're going to feel a lot more confident. Now maybe you want to supplement your income. Maybe you only want $100 a day. You know, maybe you want to make $1,000 a month or $10,000 a month. It really doesn't matter, because with affiliate marketing you really will have the opportunity to make about as much as you want online. Now first off, I'd like to explain to you the advantages of affiliate marketing, because those advantages mean a whole lot. The first thing is you don't have to come up with any idea. Okay, somebody has already done it. They've already developed a physical product, they've already developed a digital product, they've come up with the idea, and they've probably proven the idea, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about that in a second. The next thing is you don't need a website. You know, if you're selling your own products, whether it's drop shipping or physical products or whatever that you're going to ship out, you got to come up with a website, you got to design it, you got to put time into it. With affiliate marketing you don't have to do any of that. You don't even need a website. Nobody's going to even know that you exist for the most part. The next thing is you don't have to have any products. That is a big stumbling block, because I know in the beginning when I started out I was selling cell phone cases, and I chose that as my product, cell phone cases, and the problem was I had to invest all this money in inventory, and I had to have a stock, and I had to ship them out. So with affiliate marketing you don't have to do any of that. Okay, you also don't need any sales pages. So the way you sell stuff online is people will in one way or another click a link, or click an ad or whatever, and they're going to go over to a page, and that's going to be the sales page. This sales page is actually going to sell the product. Now designing and making sales pages, it's not so easy. You can learn how to do it, but it's not so easy. So if you're selling an affiliate product, they have already built their own sales page. They've tested it, they've already ran traffic to it, they've sold products off it. So when you send traffic to an affiliate sales page, you know you're going to get results because they've already gotten results, and you don't have to design that page. The next thing I like a lot about affiliate marketing is there's no customer support. Don't have to worry about it. No customer support, non-existent, because you're not really in the mix. The way affiliate marketing works is you may run an ad, or you may do a blog post or something along those lines, and once you've done that, somebody's going to click on it. They're going to end up at the affiliates page, but they are cookied. Okay, they have a little piece of code put on them now, so if they actually buy from that page you get credit for it because you used a link that had that code on it. So you don't have to understand all the technical stuff of that. Don't worry about that part. The point is you don't have to deal with the customer. Okay, if they're upset, they're mad, they're happy, they want more information, they got questions, that particular person that you're selling the product for, the actual seller of the product, because you're the affiliate, they have to deal with all that. So you never have to worry about customer support. So that's really great if you like to travel and you don't want to be tied to your desk, you don't want to be tied to your phone or your email. Affiliate marketing is great for that reason, because you don't have to deal with the people. The next thing I like a lot is there's no fulfillment. What is fulfillment? Well, okay, we do have some fulfillment for one of our products, and that's Survivalcave food, and those products are physical products. They're survival food, okay, and we have to have somebody box up that product, and they have to put, you know, packing in there to make sure it's safe, and they have to put a label on it, and they've got to tape that box up, and then they got to have it picked up, or they got to take it somewhere, and that is fulfillment. That's where you actually have to send that package out to somebody. And the next part you're really gonna like, okay, if you're that group of people who, you know, you don't have a whole lot of money, okay, you're gonna love this part. You don't have to buy any inventory. You don't have to buy any inventory whatsoever. That particular seller, whether it's a digital product or whether it's a physical product, they have the inventory, okay? They've already established the inventory. They have to worry about that. So you don't have to buy something and be unsure if it's going to sell, and now you're left over with a bunch of inventory. That's not going to happen to you. I know in our survival food company, we have to make these things in advance. We have to make the food. We have to have it setting there, so it sets there, and it costs me money in advance. And then when somebody buys it, then I recoup my money. But if somebody doesn't buy it, I sit there on my money, okay, and it just sits there. Now that's still a good business for us. We've been doing it for years. We get sales every single day. It's awesome. We sold millions of dollars of that product, but understand, I've got to have inventory for that product. I love some of my digital products. My digital products are great because, you know, maybe it's a course I did where somebody pays 27 bucks a month, or, you know, they buy a course for $1,000, and I don't have to worry about inventory. But either way, if you're an affiliate, whether it's physical products or digital products I still have to come up with, but if you're an affiliate, you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about inventory, and it doesn't cost you anything to offer a product to somebody. The one question I get from everybody is, where do you find the best products to sell at the best payout? Well, these people want products that they can trust, they can depend on, and they know they're going to get paid on, okay? So that's the main criteria when somebody gets into affiliate marketing. They have these concerns, and they should have these concerns, okay? These are things you should worry about. Okay, so at this point, I'd like to tell you about my #1 recommendation, where to sell affiliate products. I think it's the best place to start off. They've been there since the 90s. You know you're going to get paid. There's no problems, and it's called ClickBank, okay? We actually have products on ClickBank also. I highly recommend ClickBank. They're really good people. But why don't we just go over to ClickBank, and I'll walk you through their site, and you can kind of see how it's done. Okay, I'm over at ClickBank's website right now. It's a really cool site. I really like it a lot. It gives you a lot of opportunity to sell a lot of different kinds of products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of walk you through it. When you first get here, you're going to see this page here, and you may see some ads up here. There's ClickBank University, and there's some stuff, medical stuff, and all kinds of different stuff on here. Not that many ads on here right now, but you'll see more ads down here for more products. But what you want to do really to figure out all of this is you want to go into this area right here called the affiliate marketplace. So I'm going to click there. And if you have an account, you would log in. You don't need to log in to actually go here and look around though, which is pretty cool. So you've got all these different categories. This is arts and entertainment. You can see here you've got architecture, art, body art, dance, fashion, humor, magic tricks, music, photography, just all kinds of stuff. You've got as seen on TV products here if you want to do any of that. Health and beauty, kitchen tools and gadgets. We've got betting systems here if you're into that kind of stuff, casino table games and horse racing and all that kind of great stuff. And then you've got your business area right here, which this is where a lot of our courses are in right here in this business area right here. Everything from derivatives to foreign exchange to outsourcing, you name it, it's in this area here. We've got computers and internet, and I won't pull open every single one of these, but as you go through here, you can see there's e-business, education, games, all these different things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull open one of these categories here, and we're going to do a little bit of searching. So I'm going to go to self-help. Okay, so I'm actually in self-help right now. So anything that would qualify as self-help will be in this area here, and you're going to see a lot of listings. But let's look at one of these listings so we can see how it really works. Okay, now this is the average sale. So when somebody buys this particular product, this is the average amount they spend. Okay, now this is the initial sale, and this is the percent of the sale that you're actually going to get. So they're paying out 79%. So of this 45 or 45.64, what is that? You're going to get almost $40 of it right here. Okay, so that's pretty cool. But what we want to do is we want to, and you can go in, let me click on one of these real quick to show you how this works. This is the affiliate page, this is the sales page. So if I click here, you can see the page that you're going to be driving people to right here.
My name is James.
And there's a video that plays, and I'm not sure, let's see what this says.
And just 90 seconds from now, I'm going to let you in on something every man is secretly obsessed with.
Okay, we're going to stop on that one because I don't know what that product is, but there's one of the products right there. Oh, the attraction secret. So this is some dating thing or something on here. Okay, which is fine. That's a big market. Overnight millionaire system right here. I don't know if you could become an overnight millionaire, but that's the name of their system. So let's go, and we're going to sort this. We're going to sort this by what's called gravity right now, okay? And I'll explain to you in a second what gravity is. Now, on that last one I showed you, and this overnight millionaire is looks like it's #1 for gravity. This is the sales page for this particular one. Let's go to it real quick. Okay, overnight millionaire mind hacks. Let's see what the video is. Says Wesley Virgin was not allowed to use his voice. Okay.
Shout out to Wesley.
Huge shout out to Wesley Virgin.
Okay, so he's got a bunch of testimonials there. So that's the actual sales page where you're selling the product. Now, if you want to know what assistance you get, it's on this link here, which is their affiliate page. So let's click on that. So overnight millionaire, will you click the green button to earn easy cash? Okay, so they're saying this is easy cash. Yes, I want cash. So they've got all this information in here for you. So if you click this button here, you're going to put in your ClickBank ID and your email address, and what they're going to do is they're going to actually generate your hop link or your link to go to this page here so that you can start selling this particular product. Now let's go back to that listing again, because I want to show you a couple things in that listing. Okay, so right here it says overnight millionaire system conversions are crazy right now. EPC, which is earnings per click. So when somebody clicks, okay, if you run an ad and somebody clicks, your earnings are going to be about $2. So as long as you are buying ads where your clicks are less than $2, you could be profitable, right? So it says over 250 new affiliates are making daily sales. New offer alert search done for you services. The payout is $500 sales. Now if you notice, this gravity is 289. That is how many affiliates actually sold this particular course in a month. Okay, now this is not how many sales they had, this is how many affiliates. So one affiliate could do 1,000 sales. So we do want this high gravity number, because we know if this gravity number is high, then there's a lot of people selling it, and odds are if a lot of people are selling it, you will stand a chance of being successful at it too. Now there's a couple other things you can look at. This one here gives you a good example. Average percent rebill. Now what the rebill means is that once they buy, which is $46.94 on this particular product, which is $46.94 in this particular product, the average percent sale is 75%. The average rebill is $84.18, which is almost twice as much, and the average percent of people that rebill is 26%. So you're not only going to be making this, you'll be making a percentage of this because you get paid on rebills. So as you look through here, that's a good thing to check out. This is a gravity of 50, average sales $15, with average 70% average sale, average rebill is $51.81. If you notice, this rebill can be much higher than the sale right here. And you can pick through here and you can find different languages if you want. You can find that's one time. If you want reoccurring, you can find that. There's also filters over here if you want to filter by average sale, initial sale, average rebill, all these things here. You can just sort it by whatever you want. And you know, this is a site that, like I said, it's been around for years and years and years. So the cool thing about it, and you can all, this is sorted I think high to low, you can do low to high. So the cool thing about it is that you know that the company is going to be solid that's paying you, because you actually get paid from ClickBank. ClickBank actually takes in the money. ClickBank's the company that actually is paying you, so you don't have to worry about, you know, is the person with this offer here any good or not, because what they're doing essentially is they're just putting their product on this marketplace, and when they put their product on this marketplace, ClickBank is taking it from there. there. ClickBank is also taking care of the customer service. So, you know, if you have somebody who wants to refund or complain or whatever, they're going to end up getting in touch with ClickBank and not you. And like I say, it's a great way to get started, especially if you don't have the money to get started, especially if you don't have a product, especially if you want the freedom, you know, of working when you want to work and not having to deal with the customers and all that. You know, affiliate marketing is awesome. So that's what I want to show you about affiliate marketing. I think it's a great way to go. It's super easy to get started. There's a lot of training in there. All the tools are already built in all the offers, so you don't have to worry about emails or landing pages or sales pages or credit card processing or any of that. All you do is sign up for a ClickBank account, start sending traffic, and you start making money. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe below. Click the button for the bell and turn on all notifications. You'll be part of the Fisher family, the VIP group who knows about these videos before anybody else, because I send you a notification. Don't forget to grab my course, my free e-commerce course down there, $97 value. Click and learn, free to you. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.